up? Welcome to part 3. So I'm just working on scraping up the floor. I'm using the scraper and it's getting all the foam off. It's really scraping up pretty easy. So I'm gonna get to work and then we can start drywalling. All right, here we are, all cleaned up. It's looking good. It's scraped off really easy off the studs and off the floor. So next step is drywalling. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work on that. All right, the ceiling is done. Yeah, it worked out pretty good. I kind of made this holder right there. And then I used a 2x4 on the opposite wall and I was able to slide them right up there and then screw them all in. So just finishing up the last piece and then I'm gonna go and start the walls. All right, I'm back at it. I'm trying to install this Martin 20,000 BTU propane heater. So here it is right there. I'm gonna be putting it on this wall. I got the framing done. I just gotta now cut a hole in that metal right there. It gives you a nice template to do that. So that's the giant hole I gotta cut, and then it gives you all the mounting points and stuff. So I'm gonna work on that right now. You go and check out the beautiful fall colors out there. Basically took me all day to do, I don't know, 8 hours or so. A lot of improvising and stuff. It's not necessarily made for a shipping container, but you know, it works. Well, I don't know, I haven't tested it, but it's installed. I'm gonna work on the gas next time I go. I'll show you the outside quick. All right, here's the actual vent parts. You know, it doesn't call for the flashing on top, but I just kind of put it on there and I use some high temperature caulk around. I don't know, I'm a caulker. So, I don't know, we'll see how it works once I get it all hooked up, but that's all for now. I'm gonna head home and we'll see you on the next trip. All right, here is the final gas hookup for the heater. So I got a couple 40-gallon propane tanks. I got that automatic changeover, which is nice. So it just automatically changes over. Let's take a look inside. All right, here's the furnace. You probably can't tell, but it is working. It's kind of warm out right now, but I've had it run in maybe 5 days and it's used 3/4 of that 40-gallon tank. So looks like it's doing pretty good. Just finishing out or starting to mud everything, mud all my drywall. I got this shiplap up, which is looking good. Up on both walls. So yeah, there's the other side. So that'll pretty much wrap up this section. I'll continue to work on mudding and then painting and then do some sort of flooring, but it's getting to be winter time, so I'll probably call it for a while. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.